Welcome.
Hi, hello.
Hello. Good morning. Diretso lang. Tuloy lang, tuloy.
Where is Kanuto? Si Miriam. Kahit.
Hindi, ano yun, sandali lang.
Wait, salubungin mo.
Okay. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Welcome, Family Land.
To.
Basta.
Welcome. Hi.
Arlinda.
Yeah.
I'm Casey.
Casey.
Hi.
Your mother over, ano?
Yeah.
Old.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mr. Go. Welcome, Family Land. Good morning.
Wow.
Mm.
Hey, that Mark's is my
Good
third
morning.
sister. That's the husband. Kuya Rudy.
Hello.
Yeah.
How are you? Good.
You talked before.
Yeah.
This the Ruda's mom and the dad.
Let's take
Yeah.
a picture.
Oh, take a picture, okay. Mom's Ruda's mom. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Oh, here with the papaya. Let's go. With the papaya here.
Done.
Yeah.
Ka?
This one, no, but
Buti nakarating na sila dito. Ka, ano, May?
yes, that's what happened here. And nobody is staying. Yes, that's my house when I born. Yes, nobody is staying here because my mom and dad died. Nobody. No. My sister lived there, but sometimes because she died, my cousin, not my sister, she go back to Manila. Nobody here again.
You can enter the house and you can check your pictures, your baby
Oh,
pictures.
yeah. Sometimes Tess, but Tess go to the bakehouse because my sister. That's Ruda's mom. Hey, Ruda's mom and uncle. Kuya Rudy. That's mom's Ruda's mom. They're going back in Manila. And Wednesday.
I met Rhoda a few days ago.
Yeah, they met Ruda. You can speak English, right? Little bit?
I love this.
Okay, okay. You know, they go together with Rhoda. First day. And Ate Arlene, that's with mom, their mom. Yeah. They're not very good feeling well, both of them. They're not
Kararating lang
very,
nila.
okay.
Kararating
because
lang
they
nila.
have
Ngayon lang.
And what else you said? Same.
Pink.
Yeah, and pain also.
Tattoo?
Yeah, she got tattoo also.
From when?
Daddy,
Oh,
see?
can I take a picture of it?
Ipapasukin mo na ron.
Ay, this is- Okay,
Come here better. Come
let's
here
go
better.
now. Let's go now. Check it.
Come here.
Uh,
Let's go here.
What year?
5 years ago.
5 years ago?
Mm.
Wow. In Manila or here?
Manila.
Manila?
We'll be back again on March 26 to Manila.
Okay. Cool.
Aldrin, you look Aldrin?
Yeah, I'm at Aldrin.
Yeah.
Your picture is already
There, see? My picture is here, see? Yeah, see? See? I told you.
Pakita.
Na mamaya, see? This is my uncle. That's my brother that passed the missing. Daddy, my missing brother.
Yeah.
The sailor. They're sealer. This a pair.
Yeah, that's
This
what
one.
Yeah,
Yeah, but this a per sealer. Sa and triangle Bermuda. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's me and Mark. That's me and Mark, see?
And this is the old TV. Yeah. And the old TV.
Ang ano? Ang ano? Beer. Garo ko ba yun? Diyan. Doon. Mga si Binap. Nandyan.
Why not a gold?
Here?
Ah, okay.
This was your room?
Yes, this one is my room. This one. Yeah, this one.
This is my favorite spot. This
I
house.
will
Ah.
Passport? My brother? Who's that? Adila, this one. The young, this one. Ate Adil.
Doon, oh.
Ate Adil is not here. Ate Adil is the back. Yeah.
Ato, that's, then.
You can also come here.
Dali, dali. Diyan, diyan ka. Diyan na lang.
Hindi ka look sa kids.
Picture ka mo. Picture taon. Oy,
See, I'm very proud. Mamaya na, mamaya. See? See, look. Yeah.
20 years old.
Yeah. See, here's your picture. Casey.
I know.
Here's a picture of the baby. I'm gonna take a picture. I do not.
Diyan lang. Diyan.
Huh? Yeah, inside Casey. That's my brother missing.
Yeah, he went missing on a ship.
And the ship never come back in Bermuda side. Sailors. Yes.
Pirates or something?
Yeah.
Wow.
She went back and forth like to go to Jeddah, to the everywhere, but now she didn't come back. Yeah.
Okay na, guys.
That's where my nurse is going to
Thank you.
line away.
Oh,
Yeah. That's the one, yeah.
Ah.
Take a picture.
That is the old picture.
Picture here. Take a picture this one. See? This is
Ayan
my
guys,
room
so,
here.
yan, yan. Ano sila lahat guys sa ano, pati sa kusina namin, pumunta sila guys. Ayan na guys. Ah,
Take a video all over the house.
Very old, very old. Very old house.
Very nice.
Kanmig daw eh.
Very old house.
No, the banana tree.
No, Mark, maybe ask Mark.
Okay na guys. Daw is hindi ano, samay.
You can see this one right here. This is the banana. It grows into like this one. It's clean.
Kalulot pa rin ha. Amo lang kay dati na ano. Amo ate, yung banana.
Okay.
Where's the cabbage?
Kain kayo ano? Aning? Kain kayo?
Kumain na, mamaya na kasi
Ay.
kumain na kami doon.
Ah, kain na kayo.
Mga baby. Another banana.
Saan yung ano, yung garbage?
Doon sa ano.
Hmm?
Doon sa may kusina din.
Mm.
I know, I love it.
Daddy, did they have it?
Where did you put your heel?
Or they have the thing, the bear.
Wow.
Bear. You want bear?
Oh no, I'm okay. Thank you. Where's the garbage? It's
Or
like
garbage.
Thank you.
Saan ang garbage man?
Coconut
Ay, salamat ka.
Pardon?
Coconut juice.
Coconut juice?
Yeah, they like the coconut juice.
Where?
They like...
Maka-experience.
Baby.
Diba? Maka-experience na ano. Ayan.
No,
Remembrance. Remembrance.
Here, guys, she can pour the coconut juice here.
Mas gusto pa na sa ano eh. Ma-experience nila na ano. Sige.
Ay.
Ayun. May experience ba? Tessa.
You can eat the coconut milk. It's so nice.
Yung ano, pula, sarap na. Sarap na pula. Yeah.
Oh, sure.
It is good look, Daddy.
Give me that.